Hey, all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Why not? Let's keep the Star Wars fun going, right? So if I'm going to do the 501st, like I said during my Captain Rex unboxing video, you really need the leader of the 501st, so it's time to kind of take a look at Anakin Skywalker, right? Now, I can't really call this an unboxing and first impressions because I already got it in, I've already put it together, and I've already primed it. But one of the things I loved right away, you got to position this in one of two poses. I thought that was phenomenal. All right, so I settled with this one. You know, that famous, he's using the Force, pushing things back when he's got his lightsaber out. I really like the look of that. There was something about this one that kind of spoke to me. Now, let's open up this box and take a look at the other fun things. I like the fact they give you everything in the box you need to really field Anakin properly. Now, if you've never ever really taken a look at Star Wars Legion stuff before, and oh yeah, by the way, if you remember in the Rex video, I didn't get a base. This time I got a proper base inside the package, so I thought that was cool. Your miniature is going to come on what's called a sprue, and that's, well, that thing right there. You're used to that with plastic models, like when you build your model cars, model tanks, model airplanes. You know, they come on plastic pieces and they have little numbers on there. So what I thought was really cool is inside the quote-unquote rule sheet for Anakin, they give you assembly instructions. Which pose you want, these are the pieces you're going to need. And on the back of that, they give you the quick rules reference for Anakin and his special abilities. But seeing how I have yet to play a real game of Legion, seeing how I don't have the pieces, I haven't got the core set yet, but I will be getting that. We'll get to that later on. Comes with all the cardboard tokens you need for Anakin. And his cards. Now that first one just had me dying with laughter. Because I always remember him saying it in the Clone Wars. You know, this is where the fun happens. This is where the fun begins. You know, or the ever popular, you underestimate my power. And yes, Anakin was a hero of the Clone Wars. He really, truly was. Until he turned, but then again, Palpatine and the Emperor and all that other weird stuff. And of course, he's got one of his other cards. I love the fact they give you all the breakdowns right there, so basically you're ready to go with him. And I like the fact that right off the bat, you can tell he's 168 points. So I thought that was phenomenal for them to do that and put the point cost on there. And yes, you get all the other little, I'm not sure if we call it support cards or attribute cards or whatever, but you get those in there as well. But I thought, where'd it go? Okay. I thought it was important to get a hold of Anakin right away before I started doing up a whole bunch of clone troopers, because every army needs its general to take you into battle. Now, yes, I left the base unbased at this point. I didn't put down any gravel or any flock or anything. That will be later on. You will see a follow-up video with this in the future, basically when it's painted. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do a step-by-step paint guide. I don't know if I have that patience. I really don't. I know me, I really don't. But still, I don't think you guys want to hear, well, this is how I did step 1, and then hold it up. This is how I did step 2, hold it up. Because my editing skills and all that other fun stuff aren't that good. But yeah, cleaned up the mold lines, cleaned everything up. It went together great. The only real issue I had was getting the legs to fit properly, because one was a little off on this pose, as you can see, with the bend. And I just felt like I couldn't get the piece in there, and I was a little off. And then when it clicked, I was like, oh, hey, there you go. It is a plastic miniature, so gluing it together with super glue, real easy. I didn't have any problems. I didn't have any overfills. I didn't get my fingers stuck to the miniature. But I thought that was really, really cool. But I really wanted to keep it brief and just introduce Anakin. Oh, yeah, before I forget, sorry. The cost of this miniature, and it's going to be a little bit of a sticker shock because it is a character miniature. It's $17.66 as of Wednesday, May 25th, 2022. It is Prime eligible. I think I got mine in like 2 days, which, considering Amazon and Prime now, is almost unheard of, but still, it's kind of cool. But there we go. There is my quick Well, look at Anakin Skywalker for Star Wars Legions. Now, I'm at the fun part of the video. Seriously, I love this part the most. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger. Seriously, all that down below. Do you play Legion? Have you used Anakin before? Have you had successes with Anakin? Is there anything you might want to impart knowledge down below in the comments section? I know Legion has been out for a while. I know I'm just getting into it. I don't know if they're killing the game. I don't know what they're doing. But you can still find the pieces, and I want to collect a unit of the 501st. I've got Anakin, I've got Rex, and I got a box of clone troopers. Well, unit expansion, but we'll see that in a later video. Now,
I gotta check the chat.
hey, easy guys, okay? Sorry. Early morning, kids are excited, they're playing on their tablets, and we'll be leaving for school here in a little bit. But still, there we go. Like I said, my quick overview of Star Wars Legion, Anakin Skywalker. I want to thank all of you for watching. I know I'm getting a little bit better with these geeky videos, if you want to call them that way. I'm having fun with it, and hopefully it's showing through to you guys on the other end of the camera. I want to thank all of you for watching this one. I hope you're having a safe day, a great day, and I'll see all of you in our very, very next video.